Hi, I'm Bonnie Norton, founder and owner of Indra Yoga Institute.
Hi everybody, my name is Anita Sundram.
Hi, I'm Raquel Bueno.
Aloha, I'm Haunani.
Hello, my name is William Jackson.
Hi, my name is Janani.
Hi, I'm Goyo Fali.
Hi, my name is Thomas McConkey.
Hi, my name is Jyoti.
Namaste, I'm Manoj.
Hi, I'm Brandy Sadler.
Hi, I'm Kamala.
Hello, my name is Janine Talento, and I am honored to be one of the facilitators on Indra Yoga Institute's online 300-hour yoga teacher training.
Indra was built as a way to support yoga teachers and holistic health practitioners globally to take their practice to the next level, to live full and empowered lives of purpose and passion, and to help support their communities at the same time.
Join us from January 2nd to March 7th for this transformational advanced yoga and Ayurveda teacher training.
Even if we're together through the ethers, even if we're together through our screens, we have this heart connection that is that is such a beautiful pathway closer to this place that we call home.
Yoga is social justice. Join me in learning ways to make yoga more equitable and reflective of the communities in which we live, serve, and practice.
At Indra, we believe that during and as we emerge from these globally uncertain and challenging times, that this work is needed now more than ever. We would love to work with you and are excited to invite you on this journey and hope to meet you soon. Thank you.
Blessings, and I look forward to seeing you on this journey. Namaskar. Bye-bye.